Welcome to week 4 of our Pot in a Pot crochet along. This is our final week for our Pot in a Pot crochet along. However, I will be releasing the 2 bonuses next week on Friday the 28th. You can choose to add those 2 bonuses to your Pot in a Pot. However, it is not mandatory to be part of the giveaway. Now this week, we're going to be making the beautiful Euphorbia millii, also known as the Crown of Thorns. Day 1, we're going to be making the flower and the brat. The flower is actually not the prettiest part of the succulent, but the brat is. Now, because the flower is so tiny, even though it includes the stamens and the anthers, we're going to leave that out just to go easy on our hands, and we're going to create a simple flower. We're also going to be making the beautiful brat. To begin our brat, we're going to make a slip knot and a chain of 3. Chain 1, 2, 3, and then into the last chain from the hook, which is the first chain that we made, we're going to make 3 single crochets. So that's 3 single crochets into the last chain from the hook. Chain 1 and fasten off your thread. Now we're going to insert our hook into the center ring and pull that loose end that we just cut off through the center. And there we have our simple little flower. Next, we're going to be making the beautiful brat. For my brat, I'm using hot pink. However, you can choose to use whatever color you'd like. To begin our brat, we're going to make a slip knot and a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. Then we're going to continue to make a single crochet and 2 half double crochets into the second chain from the hook. That's chain 1, chain 2. Make a single crochet and 2 half double crochets into the second chain from the hook. Continue to make two double crochets into the next chain. That's 1, 2. Try that again. So that's 2 double crochets into the next chain. Continue with 2 triple crochets into the next chain. One triple crochet, 2 triple crochets. Make 2 double crochet into the next stitch. We're now going backwards to create that curved shape. So that's 2 double crochets in the next stitch, and then into that in the next chain, and into that last chain we're going to make 2 half double crochets and 2 single crochets. Chain 1 and fasten off your thread. There we have our simple but cute little brat. Now we're going to starch these in a curved shape. So we're going to just curve it up a little and starch it and sit it in that position and let it dry completely. I've made a total of 22 bracts, giving me 11 flowers. You can make less if you want, but you'll need 2 bracts per flower.